Hi guys, Kate from Packhelp here. Today I'm going to be folding a much bigger box. It's a mailer box, but it does come in different sizes. We have a letterbox size for the UK, and we have maxi brief for Germany. We've got several sizes. What I'm doing now is just bending all the edges so it's easier to fold, because when it comes to you, it's flat and stiff. And we recommend you keep it flat right up until the last moment that you actually need to use it. Oh, and while bending, there's a very important bend on the edges, because it's a double bend, because it's going to go over these hinges. So when bending, you go one, a little bit to yourself, and two. And then you have this nice edge of a double bend. So yeah, let's get started. First you fold, as usual, the smallest flaps, bring them in. You already get the form of a box. And then when folding this side, wait for the click for confirmation. In general, like, the mailer box is absolute Packhelp's best-selling box because it's so pretty and colourful. And I mean, who wants a boring cardboard box where you can have a lovely flower box? These flaps need to stay on the outside, by the way. Don't pack them inside because they go in here at the sides. And you're done. In case something was unclear or you're not quite sure which goes in which spot or the bending is difficult, then leave a comment. We will get back to you and help. If you enjoyed the video, then don't forget to leave a like, subscribe our channel, check out different videos. We don't just fold boxes. And my question for you is, do you prefer smaller boxes or bigger boxes? Personally, I prefer smaller boxes because they're really cute, even though they are harder to fold. The big block boxes are always, there's more space for design and it's pretty, but I like cute little things. Anyway, see you on the next video.